Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am Dr. Dafda, and in this 15th video class of AI/ML, we will understand goal-based agents. Starting with the name, why these agents are called goal-based agents? These agents choose actions not just based on what is happening right now, but based on a plan to reach a desired end state or goal. And this ability to work towards a goal is why they are called goal-based agents. In our previous video class, we learned about model-based reflex agents. They are smarter than simple reflex agents because they can remember information about the environment and use that memory to make better decisions. But sometimes remembering the current situation isn't just enough. An agent also needs a clear goal or destination to work towards. So this is where goal-based agents come in. These agents make decisions by considering both their current state and what they are trying to achieve. That means these are an extension to the model-based agents, right? And instead of just reacting to what is in front of them, they can plan actions that help them move closer to their goal. Okay, so let us start. What are goal-based agents? Goal-based agents don't just react to the current environment. They act with a goal in mind. And therefore, the goal-based agents are an expansion of model-based reflex agents. Goal-based agents are a type of intelligent agent that considers where it is heading rather than just reacting to what's happening right now. For example, imagine a taxi that stops at a road junction. It doesn't simply turn left, right, or go straight based on random decisions. It has a goal such as getting its passenger to a specific address, and this goal helps it to decide the best direction to take. Let us understand how goal-based agents differ from simple reflex agent and model-based reflex agent. See, simple reflex agent acts on immediate percepts without considering the future outcomes. It works only on condition action rules. For vacuum cleaner, if dirty, then clean. Okay. While the model-based reflex agent uses internal state to store its current percept, that can be helpful for future decision, but it doesn't necessarily aim for a goal. For a self-driving car, if another car was in the left lane, it's probably still nearby if I can't see it, right? While in comparison, a goal-based agent considers future actions based on a goal, providing more adaptable and purpose-driven behavior. So if we compare the block diagram, we can see that there are different blocks, like what it will be like if I do action A, and the other block that is different is goals that will decide the block what action should I do now. So in place of condition action rules, there is a goal that has to be achieved. Okay. So how does goal-based agents work? A goal-based agent works on current percept, history, and goals simultaneously to take some action. A goal-based agent doesn't just act, it plans. It keeps a goal in mind and has a model or an understanding of how its actions will impact the environment. It uses a model to predict the results of its actions, asking, if I do A, will it help me reach my goal? For instance, if the agent wants to reach a specific location, it will ask itself, if I take this turn, will it get me closer to my goal? So it has a decision process in which it plans a sequence of actions considering future steps needed to reach the goal. Sometimes reaching a goal is straightforward, like making one correct turn, but other times it requires a complex sequence of steps. A real-world example of goal-based agent is a self-driving car. Its goal is to take passengers to their destination safely and efficiently. To achieve this, it continuously plans its actions, slowing down for obstacles, adjusting to traffic conditions, or even rerouting if there is a roadblock. And this flexibility helps it make intelligent decisions beyond basic reflexes. For example, this taxi at this road junction will decide to turn left, right, or go straight depending on the destination or goal. And see, if we consider the same example of self-driving car for all the three types of agents, that is simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, and goal-based agents, then if there is a roadblock ahead, say for example here there is a roadblock Then for simple reflex agent, if this agent is a simple reflex agent, it will simply change the route. That is simple condition action rule. If blockage, then change the route. It will not think that some other car may be nearby and there may be collision, right? But if this intelligent agent is a model based reflex agent, it has a memory of other cars which is coming behind. So it will change the route accordingly. That is, if other car is very near in the parallel lane, it will slow down, allow other car to pass and then change the lane or route. While if this intelligent agent is a goal based agent which we are currently interested in, it will slow down, it will allow other car to pass and then change the lane or route in such a way that the next route direction is closer to its goal. So if this route direction is not closer to its goal, it will take this route direction, right? I hope it is clear. Goal based agents have some distinct advantages and challenges. In advantages, they are flexible. For example, if you change the destination, the agent can adjust its actions to get there, and since they plan for the future, they can make more informed decisions. However, this added intelligence comes at a cost. The limitations are goal based agents needs more computing power and may take longer to make decisions as compared to simpler agents, as they are constantly thinking about the next steps. So in conclusion, we can say that the goal based agents are more like humans. They think ahead and act with purpose. So that is all for this video class. Thank you very much.